Yeah, so in a sentence, it's been captivating. That's the word.
Okay.
Expository. Like, you know, I've been able to learn a lot of the intricacies in Excel, you know. Yes. No. Okay, so a very big difference or huge difference between this and the other ones I've done has to be the infusion of fast. You know.
Okay.
The introduction of the fast system, control-shift A, control-shift Q, you know, control-shift C, and the likes, you know, has been very, very good. You know, I believe that it would help. I mean, not just project finance alone, but I mean other models. It will really help, you know, fasten the work, and you know, it just makes life easier.